Good day. Today I am going to show you the domain user creation. So let's run our virtual machine. Let's click the tools, the Active Directory and users. Then we will create a new organizational unit named Other Users. Next, we will create a new user. So I will name it Smart. Then next, let's input a password. Next. So now the user was created. So let's now create a shared folder for the user. So this PC and local disk. Let's create the other users folder. Then share it. After that, we need to remember the location of the folder. So from local path, let's connect it to the folder. Just type the address or location / %username %. Next, we will create a new group. It is named Group Department. Then let's create a new user for IT personnel and another one for clerk. Last, let's add a member to the group department. So first the clerk, go to properties, click add, then type the department, click OK. So same with the IT personnel, properties, and click type department. Now checking the department, we can see that clerk and the IT personnel were already members.